Drawing as a car mechanic? Is that even a thing? Actually, yes. A lot of the stuff we fix today involves some kind of diagram, blueprint, or sketch. It's part engineering, part art, and knowing how to draw really helps. Here's the thing. Automotive repair isn't just about wrenching bolts and swapping old parts anymore. Modern vehicles are rolling computers. And guess what? A well-drawn diagram can save you from hours of taking apart half the engine trying to guess where that misfire is coming from. Think about it. A messed up wiring harness? You need a visual guide. That mystery noise coming from the chassis? Sketching can help pinpoint the problem. Knowing how to create or read technical drawings makes you much faster and more accurate. Time is money in a shop. Let's start with the basics. Perspective drawing. You're not sketching stuff for an art gallery. It's all functional. You map out where parts connect, which bolt does what, and how everything interacts. This skill alone can help you diagnose problems in less time. Pro tip: practice drawing 3D shapes like cylinders for pistons and brake drums, and cubes for block-like parts. These are the building blocks of car systems. Break down complex systems into simple, sketchable components first. Here's a frustrating moment every mechanic has hit: struggling to explain an issue to a customer. You're describing an alternator issue, but they're just nodding, pretending to understand. Sketch it out for them instead. The visual instantly makes things click. For those who are worried they can't draw, don't sweat it. You don't need fine art-level skills. Honestly, even basic stick figures of bolts and wires get the job done. And with time, your sketches will improve naturally. It's all about repetition. Ever seen an exploded diagram in a repair manual? That's sketching taken to pro level. Every part is laid out as if someone just blew up the system, but you can see every connection. Learning how to draw like this makes ordering parts and reassembly a breeze. Let's say you're fixing a tricky suspension system. You don't have to redraw the whole thing every time. Create reusable templates, a quick graphic of a suspension arm or shock that you can tweak as needed. This saves loads of time in the long run. Here's another killer benefit. If you work in a shop with team members, clear drawings speed up collaboration. Everyone can glance at the sketch, confirm the issue, and move on fast. Plus, no more three-way arguments about how to reassemble something. Digital sketching is another game changer. Load up an iPad or tablet, sketch directly on it, and have all your diagrams in one place. Digital tools like Procreate come with layers and scalable brushes, making car part sketches quick and neat. Don't underestimate how this skill can impact your career. A mechanic who can clearly communicate problems and solutions, whether through sketching or language, is rare. Skills like this set you apart and can even lead to higher-paying roles or consulting gigs. At the end of the day, it isn't about being Da Vinci. It's about clarity, speed, and solutions. Whether you're sketching in a dusty notebook or drawing digitally, this skill has crazy ROI. Got an hour today? Start drawing. Your future self will thank you.